Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. In case you're new, you're most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how my skincare routine, from how I take off my makeup. So first, we're going to start by removing these lashes. Ooh. Now that lashes are off, to remove my lipstick I usually use Vaseline or Arimis. Right now nimepata tu Arimis, so we're gonna use that. I'm looking this side because my mirror is right here. So to remove my makeup I usually use Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and because my cotton wool, the ones that I use to remove my makeup, are out, I'm going to use a wet wipe and I'll put some micellar water there. So for those who really love makeup, micellar water is everything when it comes to your makeup removal process, because it breaks down the makeup and makes it so easy to get rid of it. And by the way, my skincare routine, I usually use Garnier products, and so far so good. They do not have any harsh chemicals in them. They really leave your skin feeling soft, feeling so smooth. Yeah, so I know I look like I'm done removing my makeup, but trust me, there's still makeup on this face. And so next, this micellar water can remove makeup. It cleanses and soothes your skin, and then they usually say no rinsing, and it has no perfume actually. So I'm going to use my spinning brush. I got it from Junior, and I'm gonna put little micellar water here to cleanse my skin now. But how I wish this micellar water had foam. I wish it was foaming foam, because it would have made it so much easier. So guys, one thing I love about this brush, the reason is because it really gets into your pores and removes any makeup that is in there. So as you can see, like I told you, I have like lots and lots of makeup, and if it were not for this brush, I would have remained with it, which is not good, which is not cute at all. So guys, let me show you how much more makeup I had on my face. It's quite a lot, guys. See for yourselves, guys. It's really dirty. At this point, I'll use my face towel So now that we're done cleansing our face, it's time to mask. And I'm using Garnier Skin Active Pure Active 3-in-1 Charcoal. Looks like that. And it's written anti-blackhead. Number 1, it washes, it scrubs, and you can mask with it. So we're gonna mask. And they're usually saying you wait for 5 minutes. It's written for stubborn blackheads and imperfections, dermatologically tested. And you stay with it for 5 minutes. And by the way guys, I'm feeling some tinglish feeling and cold. Yeah. So guys, right now nasikia kama nimeshikana. So I won't lie to you guys, I thought I was rushing to do something for 5 minutes, but it's been more than 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you how to remove this. So basically, I take a damp cloth and just remove it, wipe it off like that. But if I'm at the sink, I usually do it directly, like nachota maji hivi na mkono and then I just wash my face. But because I couldn't record in there, so that's why I'm using a cloth. So guys, now that I've rinsed off the mask that I had on, I'm using a Garnier Skin Active Even and Matte Soft Smoothing Toner. It looks like that. It comes in a yellow bottle and it's liquidy. It's liquid and they say it softens skin, revives and refreshes, visibly illuminates skin, and they've used pure lemon essence and hydrating agent, and they also say it's dermatologically tested. And then apply all over my face. It feels so great, you guys. And guys, I can swear by this product, I can swear on them, like since I started using them, my face, my skin has really improved. Trust me on this. So the last thing but not the least that I'm using is Garnier Skin Active Even and Matte Ideal Complexion Daily Cream. So this is for normal to oily skin. I'm oily skin, and they say it reduces dark marks. I mean, I usually have a few spots on my cheek, especially on the right side, but this side is so good. I really can't complain. So I'm going to, they say it visibly evens skin tone, 8 hours of less shine. Now that I'm oily skin, this is going to make me look matte, and it maintains matteness the whole day. Looks like that. this cream, after I apply it, it really makes me look matte, that matte, as you can see right now. And it really helps. I do not become super oily during the day. So guys, this is it for my skincare routine. I usually do all these steps on weekends mostly, but when I have makeup on, I have to use my micellar water to remove it, and then I use the toner and the moisturizer. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, guys, bye.